Let's answer another exam from Giza Governorate, and you will find it in page 109 in المعاصر note. Let's start question number 1. Put the suitable word in the missing part in the following sentences. The work done is measured by. What's the measuring unit of work? Yes, joule. The blue colored and narrow eyes in the human. Which hereditary trait? Dominant or recessive? Yes, they are recessive. The chromosome chemically consists of nucleic acid, DNA, and protein. In the opposite figure, the reading of the voltmeter. If you try to solve this problem, you will find that we have four electric battery. Two of them are connected in parallel and the other two are connected in series. Okay, and we know that from the parallel connection we will take only or we will measure only the EMF of only one battery. So the EMF will equal 3 plus 3 plus 3. Two of them are connected series and two of them are connected parallel. So they will equal 9. Put right or wrong in the front of the following statement, and you should know if he asks you to correct you correct the wrong word, the wrong answer, you must correct it. Okay? 1. Pancreas is a double function gland. Yes, as it secretes glucagon and insulin. 2. The reaction chlorine plus 2 electrons will give you 2 chlorine negative ion. This represents oxidation process? No, this is a reduction. Why? Gaining electrons is reduction process, not oxidation. Calcitonin hormone is control the level of calcium in the blood. Yes. The reaction of the covalent compound are slow. Yes, but the ionic compound are very fast. What's meant by? The electromotive force of an electric cell is 1.5 volt. Do you know what this means? This means that the potential difference between the two poles of the electric cell which found in the circuit is equal 1.5. Question 2. Write a scientific term. Catalyst, which is used to decrease the rate of the chemical reaction. Which one of catalyst? Yes, that is a negative one. 2. It's a spontaneous decay of atom nuclei of some radioactive element that are present in nature in attempt to achieve more stable composition. Yes, this is the radioactivity phenomenon. 3. The method which is used to connection of electric cells to obtain high EMF. We will connect them in series connection. 4. Chemical process which cause the decrease in oxygen percent or increase in hydrogen. This will be, yes, reduction process. Choose. On crossing male and female, their genotype B capital P small, so the genotype B capital is produced in their offspring by the percentage of. Okay, when we made P capital P small with P capital P small, we will get gametes as P capital P small from one parent and P capital P small from the other parent. If we try to get the generation, it will be B capital B capital, B capital B small, B capital B small, B small B small. So, P capital in this offspring, what will its percentage? Yes, it will be 25%. Okay. Copper carbonate is decomposed by heating into copper oxide and what? Yes, well, carbon dioxide gas. And you should write the equation. According to the chemical activity series, the aluminium element is more active than what? Yes, he asks about element follow the aluminium. Okay. Which one of these following the aluminium? Yes, zinc. According to Mendel's first law, the heredity factor are what when the gametes are formed? Yes, segregate. Point C. In the opposite figure, what happens when we connect the two conductors A and B, which are equal in the electric potential according to the flow of electric current? They are equal. Are there any motion? No. So there won't be any electric current pass from them. So the potential difference between them will equal 0. Let's move to question number 3. Correct the underlined word. The secretion of thyroxine hormone is increased in fear, anger, and emotion. When you will be angry, which hormone will be secreted? Adrenaline. 2. The measuring unit of absorbed nuclear radiation is... No, not this. We will measure it with sievert. 3. It's responsible for secrete testosterone hormone is... Yes, testis male gland. 4. The current intensity due to the flow of 4,500 coulomb through a cross-section of a conductor in 5 minutes will equal 20 ampere? No, we will write the law. Current intensity, I, okay, equal quantity divided time. So I equal Q over T. Q is 4,500 and the time is 5, but we don't use it with minute, we will use it with seconds. So 4,500 divided 5 by 60, it will equal, yes, 15 ampere. Complete the following sentences by suitable word. According to the law of independent assortment of heredity factor of Mendel, the dominant trait appears in the second generation with percentage of the dominant, yes, 75%. 2. NaCl plus AgNO3, it will give you, yes, AgClY percepted. 3. Mendel removed the what of the bee plant flower to avoid self-pollination. Yes, he moved the stamen, or you can say he moved the anther. Both of them are right. The speed of the reaction of cooking food increased by, yes, by heating or by increasing temperature. C. What happened when placing a piece of magnesium ribbon in a solution of blue color sulfate? Yes, you should write the balanced equation. The magnesium ribbon written as Mg and the copper sulfate CuSO4. It will give you MgSO4 plus copper percepted. And you should know that the copper sulfate is blue color, but the percepted is, yes, red color. Question 4. Choose from column B which suit in column A. Okay, let's start with column B. It's a process which converts a substance to another substance. What's this? Yes, chemical reaction. A with 3. It's electric current with variable intensity and direction. Yes, it's the alternating current, electric current. 4 with B. It's the reaction between acid and base to form salt and water. This will be the neutralization reaction. 1 with C. Transfer the chemical energy into electric energy. This is the action of the electric dry cell. So D is with 2. Let's move to another one. According to your study, answer the following. The opposite figure represents the inheritance of one human trait. What is the number of the child that carry the recessive trait? If you know that the man H capital H small and the woman H capital H small, so these traits are dominant, but they are hybrid dominant, okay, or impure. They will give gametes H capital H small, and the other parent will give a gamete H capital H small. If we try to find the generation, the first one will be H capital, the second one H capital, H small, the third one H capital, H small, and the last one H small, H small. Okay, which one of them will carry the recessive trait? It will be number 1, H small, H small. Let's move to point number 2. The potential difference between the two ends of the electric apparatus, which resistance is 22 ohm and the electric current intensity equal 10 ampere. So he tried to find V, and you know that V equal I by R. Okay, R equal 22 and I equal 10, so V equal 220 volt. 3. Which apparatus used to measure the electric resistance in the electric circuit? Yes, the ohmmeter is used to measure the electric resistance. 4. Uncrossing pea plant of smooth hybrid seed with another wrinkled seed, it will produce what? Yes, smooth and wrinkled. What is the percentage? 50% to 50%. So it will be 1 to 1. Why? Because the smooth is dominant trait and the wrinkled is recessive trait. Give reason for forming silver color on heating red mercury oxide and write the balanced equation. When we heat the mercury oxide, it will give mercury percepted, and this one will, and the percepted is silver in color. And which gas will evolve? Oxygen gas will evolve it. If we try to write the equation, HGO, and you will put triangle on the arrow as you heat, it will give you 2Hg and O2 evolved oxygen gas. Now we have finished this exam. Thank you and good luck.